In today's video, you learn about the many benefits of dandelion. The next time you see a pesky dandelion interfering with the perfection of your lawn, you might want to reconsider your first reaction to spray it with weed killer. That little weed is actually an incredible source of vitamins and other substances that can be greatly beneficial to your health. Many people still don't realize that the dandelion is even edible. Much less are they aware of the amazing benefits this natural herb can have on their health. Dandelion contains a significant amount of vitamin A and potassium, as well as moderate amounts of vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, zinc, and manganese. All of these substances can be beneficial to your health. But the dandelion also provides a more specific health benefit. Dandelion can actually act as a gentle and a natural diuretic that aids in the function of the entire digestive system, including the function of the kidneys, gallbladder, bowels, and more. It can aid in treating constipation and water retention. Dandelion leaves can be eaten directly from the plant, but their bitter taste makes them less than appealing to the average person. It is better to boil the leaves and add them to salads, vegetable dishes, pasta dishes, and various casseroles. You can also purchase dandelion tablets from various herbal stores and online centers. Always be sure to consult with your doctor before taking in any new supplement. As beneficial as dandelion can be to your health, it is not for everyone. Those with digestive issues such as gallstones and ulcers should take special care with dandelion, and should only ingest it under the supervision of their doctor. There are quite a few benefits associated with dandelion, and many people can benefit from its use. Now that you are more familiar with the advantages of this herb, the next time you spot a dandelion in your lawn, you might find yourself eating it instead of trying to get rid of it.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up by liking, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and remedies.